Behind the lines, and we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 116 officially underway. On the Red Alliance, we have a pair of cats. On the Blue Alliance, we have a pair of birds of prey. We're going to see how these two fight it out in the animal kingdom called the Curie Division Fields. And we'll see where we go during this autonomous period. It looks like it's going to be pretty evenly matched between those two. 30-31 in favor of Red. As we move into our teleoperated period, robots are going to come alive. Students are going to take control. Red Alliance is going to extend their lead as they begin scoring some pieces of coral onto level 4. 10-5-18, racing themselves on over to the Red Alliance territory to start playing some zone coverage on the processing area for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance side of the field, Team Rush looking to defy gravity with their robot Glinda by soaring to the sky to drop off some level 4 pieces of coral very high up there. Air Partners 9609 taking care of some algae for the Blue Alliance and extending them into the lead by terms of 66-62 points. Red Alliance is going to say, we're not going to take that, and they're going to start scoring some more algae on the upper levels. Coral Reef locked and loaded for 42-56. The Cyborg Cats, they're looking to their Siamese twin, 55-30. The Green Hill Lawnmowers making their way on over for the Tool Cats of the Red Alliance, 32-76, dropping off another piece of coral as well. They're avoiding the Aluminum Falcons, trying to prey on these cats on the Red Alliance side of the field, but Red Alliance is going to say no, and they're going to extend their lead to 108-101 with a little over a minute left to play. The Blue Alliance machine of Team Rush and their partner, the Paradox from India, are taking care of the Blue Alliance Reef like they own it. One piece of coral for one piece of coral, scoring in tandem, their cycles in sync, making their way on over. As Rush scores one, the Paradox go back and score another, but Blue Alliance is right on the tails of Red within striking distance. Red Alliance is going to try to extend their lead. The Lawnmowers paving the way where the grass is greener as best as possible. They're going to drop off another piece of coral onto the lower level. Both of these alliances have not scored algae into the processors in order to start activating that cooperation bonus, which means they will have to score 7 pieces of coral every single level in order to get the ranking point. Looks like the Blue Alliance has got that locked and loaded with all of them in the trough, and they've shifted their focus onto the final stages of this match by moving on to the cages. Looks like the Red Alliance is already there. They're going to start hovering up with the Red Alliance lead currently. Can they extend that further by bubbling up towards the surface? We got a couple of robots. Blue Alliance, they took home that win with a score of 188-180, a very close match indeed. Red Alliance walking home with 1 ranking point. Blue Alliance walking home with all 6. They got the jackpot for match